How to cold start the FS45 string trimmer. Press your primer bulb 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Flip up the choke. Put the switch in the downward position, that is the on position. Then we're going to lock the throttle. Press down, pull it up, and slide in the small piece over there until it hooks itself there. Next, we're going to pull on the machine until it starts and dies. Now turn the choke into off position, that's at the bottom. Pull on the machine until it starts. How to do a warm start on a Stihl FS45. You do not need to prime it. You can keep the choke lever in the bottom position off and then put your switch in the on position. No need to lock your throttle. We're only going to put on the machine until it fires up and make sure always make sure you're on 50 to 1 two-stroke mix in your FS45. That's how you mix the oil for a FS45 Stihl string trimmer, 50 to 1. How to remove the head on a FS45. On the left hand there will be an opening on top of the head cover. You're going to slide this piece of metal in that came with your machine. Make sure it's locked and turn it clockwise until it comes off. How to install the head on a FS45. This piece must be upwards until it slides in and goes completely there. You're going to then take this pin and put it in the hole on the left hand of the machine. Keep it there. Take the head and turn it anti-clockwise until it's in all the way. You can give it a decent turn to keep it in place. Remove this and your head is ready to cut. How to remove the plug on an FS45 string trimmer. You can use a bar wrench or a flat screwdriver. Insert it here and slightly pull upwards so you do not damage the plug boot. You can then use your fingers and pull it off. You can use your bar wrench, put it in and turn on it anti-clockwise until it's loose. You can then use your fingers to turn it out all the way. And there's your plug. How to install a spark plug on a Stihl FS45. You can use a bar wrench or the correct dedicated plug spanner. First of all, turn it in with your fingers to make sure it lines up and does not cross thread, otherwise the machine is going to be damaged. Then use your plug spanner or your bar wrench and turn it clockwise, nice and tight. Then take the plug boot, put it over and press down on it firmly so it makes decent contact. Now to test if it will run, turn it on after you've inserted your spark plug, put the switch on and pull on it. How to access the air filter on a Stihl FS45. To clean it, open the side cover and take out your filter. You can wash this in dish liquid soap and let it to dry and put it back. Thanks for watching. I hope the video helped. Hit that like and subscribe for more videos and see you in the next one. Cheers!